Hello everyone, this is Priya. Welcome back to my channel with a new location. Today you are going to get a night view of Malay Park, which is really great. In the meantime, you are watching the video, I will share some information about this place. So keep watching the video to get the full details. So let's begin. There is plenty to see here. From the Merlion, the symbol of Singapore, to the historic Fullerton Hotel. From the skyscrapers of Singapore to the Marina Bay Sands. From the Singapore Flyer to Esplanade. It is a nice spot to watch the boats from the river going towards Marina Bay. This icon is a must-see for tourists who are visiting Singapore. It was first unveiled on 15 September 1972 at the mouth of the Singapore River. But after the completion of Esplanade Bridge in 1997, the statue could no longer be seen clearly from the waterfront. So in 2002, the Merlion was relocated 120 meters away from the original position to where it stands in Malay Park today, in front of Fullerton Hotel and overlooking Marina Bay. The Merlion statue faces east, as it did in the old location, as it is believed that this direction brings prosperity according to Feng Shui. The Merlion statue weighs around 70 tons and is 8.6 meters tall. The body of the fish and head of a loin, dashing off water from its mouth, symbolizes Singapore's humble beginnings as a fishing village when it was called Temasek, which comes from the same root as the word tasek, means lake in Malay, and its head represents Singapore's original name, Singapura, or Loin City in Malay. A statue of a Merlion cub is also located nearby. It is 2 meters tall and weighs about 3 tons. Take lots of photographs or just sit near the lion head and admire the beautiful skyline of Singapore. You can see the Marina Bay Sands and the giant wheel of the Esplanade on the other side of the water. The riverfront is also attractive with some ferry rides. You can also get some nice pictures with Marina Bay Sands and the Art Science Museum in the backdrop. From here, the views of the Singapore Flyer and the Marina Bay Sands Hotel building are captivating. The place is worth a visit. No trip to Singapore can be complete without having a picture taken at the Merlion. Almost all the tourists to Singapore visit this place, which is an icon of Singapore. From this park, you can approach nearby attractions like famous Singapore Flyer, Art Science Museum, Asian Civilization Museum, Esplanade Park, Esplanade Theatres on the Way, Marina Bay City Gallery, Marina Bay Waterfront Promenade, Mist Walk, National Art Gallery, Sand Sky Park, the Arts House, the float at the Red Marina Bay, the Fullerton Heritage Gallery, and many more. A good place to eat, drink, walk around, and spend a nice evening.
That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in another vlog with a new location. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.